stick with the rhyme. Well, don't ask nobody for nothing. I'm an independent diva with a style that you never.
I'm sorry, mother. My son.
I'm just a traveling soldier, and I'll be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna be free. Though they say I'm higher, they just have to wait and see. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all I can be. Look at my face in the mirror, mirror, and I wonder what I see. I'm just a traveling soldier, and I'll be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all I can be. Hey, hey, I wanna be all I can be.
The term yoga itself means union, emphasizing the connection between the body, the mind, and the spirit.
see. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all Look at my face in the mirror. I wonder what I see. I'm just a traveling soldier. I'll be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna be free. I wanna be all I can be. But right now, I just wanna
or a physical activity. It's a way of life, a discipline that teaches us not only how to defend ourselves but also how to live with confidence, respect.
Come, the yoga participants, get ready for the performance.
उस आकाश की गहराइयों में एक नदी से बह रहे हैं आदि योगी। शून्य सन्नाटे टपकते जा रहे हैं। मौन से सब कह रहे हैं आदि योगी। योग के स्पर्श से अब योग में करना है तन मन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनम। उतर मुझ में आदि योगी योग धारा छलक छन छन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनम। उतर मुझ में आदि योगी। उतर मुझ में आदि योगी। और कर दो चूरा चूरा पूर्ण होने दो मुझे और होने दो अब पूरा पूरा। भस्म वाली रस्म कर दो आदि योगी। योग उत्सव रंग भर दो आदि योगी। सितारी जनन 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 जनन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनम। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनम। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन गणन आदि योगी। योग धारा छलक छन छन। सांस शाश्वत सनन सननम प्राण गुंजन गणन गणनम। उतर मुझ में आदि योगी। उतर मुझ में आदि योगी।
Yoga makes us fit and healthy. Bhashamites, we admire your physical fitness.
కను పాప కంటి నిండుగా నిద్రపోదురా నిద్రపోదురా
Come on, audience, cheer up.
తేనే జాతి బావుగా ఎగురుతుందిరా పైకెగురుతుందిరా దిల్లే ఇండియా దిల్లే ఇండియా నీ తల్లే ఇండియా తన భరోసా నువ్వే దేశం కొనక నీ సేవక ఓ సైనిక పనిలో పరుగు తీరిక ఓ సైనిక తేలిక ఓ సైనిక పోరాటం నీకు వేడుక ఓ సైనిక
Come on, audience, cheer them up.
దర్శంలా మిగిలింటుందిగా సమరం గుడిలో మీ మరణం సమయం తలచే సంస్మరణం చరితల చదివే తరములకు స్ఫూర్తి సంతకం బస్సులు లెక్క పెట్టవే ఓ సైనిక దుస్తులు లక్ష్య పెట్టవే ఓ సైనిక ఎస్పీ దుస్తుల సాక్షిగా ఓ సైనిక ప్రతికింత నీకో పుట్టుకే ఓ సైనిక
Dear self-defenders, your self-defense and determination is appreciated. A big thank you for the dear performers. You have just ignited the stage.
Yoga, Mr. Hanuman sir, Karate, Mr. happenings in our very own Basham.
No.
Yep. Good evening, esteemed chief guest, respected CEO sir, yet to come, Dean ma'am, distinguished dignitaries, principals, staff, and my dear parents, and my beloved students. I, Archana Suresh Naidu, principal of Bashniam Rooms, Manikonda, extend a warm welcome to you all, distinguished guests of our 10th Annual Day celebrations. Annual Day is not just an event. It's a platform to celebrate the spirit of learning and togetherness. Dear parents, I would like to take this valuable moment to express my heartfelt thanks to your trust and support. You have to clap for yourself now. I welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Ramji, COO at Atal Incubation Center, CCMB, and Mr. Vijay Datla, Tollywood actor. Thank you so much, sir. A school that thinks and acts differently. Hope you know that and you trust on us and you feel it's a different thing. Bashan School was born about 31 years ago from the dreams of Ramakrishna Garu, the chairperson, a visionary with his focus on future. In this connection, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed chairman, Mr. Bashyam Ramakrishna Garu, for his vision and guidance, which has been instrumental in shaping the path of Bashan's progress. Today, the group has spread its footprints to several places across Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. Bashamites are fortunate and blessed enough to be a part of it. I welcome our CEO, Mr. Chaitanya Garu. Good evening, sir. We are proud to showcase the achievements of Bashyam Educational Institutions, the Best Award by Brain Feed, Guinness Book of World Records. Bashyam students secured highest score in all the entrance examinations like JEE, BITS, NEET, that is NEET examination, AP SET, AP Intermediate, and also topped in AI SSC, which is conducted by CBSE. Being a responsible person towards the society, and the needy, he extended his favor in the form of flood relief fund for both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh in the month of September this year 24. We thank all the parents who supported for this great cause. I thank you once again. You have to clap for yourself now. It is about you, right? Yeah. Our Basham family has the privilege to introduce our Managing Director, Mr. Saket Basham, beloved son of Sri Basham Ramakrishna Garu, inspiring him to be the next generation leader for Basham Education Institutions. We wish you success in all your endeavors. Congratulations, Saket sir. Who is the Vice Chairman of Basham Education Institutions, is none other than Mr. Hanmant Rao sir. He is an inspiring leader, qualities and team spirit that motivates the student. I feel privileged to extend my sincere thanks to our CEO sir, Dr. Chaitanya Jonnala, who is an alumni of Basham schools. He accomplished BTech Diploma in Innovation in Education from Finland. He also accomplished his PhD, his distinct vision with igniting ideas, which helped to spread his outstanding knowledge to every Bashamites. To facilitate the students and teachers' well-being, he mainly focuses on infrastructure of all the CBSE Basham branches across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. He believes that education should be transformative, preparing students not only academically but also holistically, empowering them to become active contribution to the society by integrating 21st century skills like reasoning, creativity, collaboration, communication, critical thinking, etc. into the curriculum. Schools can provide students with the required knowledge and mindset to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the modern world. Mr. Nagesh sir, who is the General Manager of Basham Blooms, has been serving the institution since 25 years. His wonderful and guidance shows the way to right path in school management. She is an ideal person, an expert communicator who has a strong ability to delegate responsibilities and collaboration across a range of departments. It's none other than our Dean, Mrs. Archana, accomplished B.Ed, Masters in Business Administration, Masters in Psychology, a lady with great determination. She gives us continuous support and guides us, and she shows keen interest in educative process. And Zone 1 is led by Dean Mrs. Sushma. She has a unique ability to bring out the best in people with challenges. Mrs. Mahati Madam, who is our panel head, focuses in the area of academic related growth and development. A new branch is also upcoming at Brahmanpalli. So we are happy to announce that too. I take this chance to speak to you about Manikonda branch now. Thank you parents, it's your turn for your involvement, tremendous commitment and support. Please. Thank you so much. Yeah. I stand before you proudly to announce the academic excellence merited with high positions by grade 10 students in the board exam in the academic year 23 and 24. Our student Haindava Chandrakant Sagam bagged highest score of all Basham CBSE branches. Indeed, it was a mesmerizing pride of our branch. A very big hand to Haindava, and congratulations Haindava wherever you are. He not only scored highest among all the schools but also topped in 4 subjects. So we are proud of you dear. I also congratulate the second and third toppers Bhavani and Spurti. They are here in the crowd. The graph has skyrocketed unbelievably from 2015. I feel proud to announce this. We are fortunate to have such a wonderful infrastructure that supports academic and non-academic activities like furnished science and computer lab. Playground renovation being carried to provide inner space for outdoor activities. I think every one of you know that. We are renovating the playground as well. To kickstart the school day on the positive note and to instill a sense of unity and discipline among the students, morning assemblies have proved to be unique ritual of the schooling system. They serve as a platform to nurture the values moral integrity, shared community, and mental calmness. In order to inculcate competitive spirit among the students, scores for assembly would be awarded, judging between two houses, that is Dahlia and Frisia. It builds a bridge between personality development and subject related activities. We encourage warm-up sessions and in the assembly to enhance health and fitness of the students and to remain active throughout the day. We also make sure students get a chance to participate in news reading, vocab building, subject related activities, and showcase their personal and cultural talents. The educators of Basham Bloom's Manikonda, they are the strong pillars of our branch. We hosted a program on financial literacy and use of digital tools conducted by CBSE board for the teachers. CBSE has taken an initiative to sensitize teachers across the country on basis of financial literacy and use of digital tools that are relevant in the current scenario. In this session, focus will be to create awareness about basic financial planning, how to avoid falling prey to cyber fraud, etc. Teachers Induction Program is organized to take the teachers understand the teaching methodology and learning system. Most of our teachers took part in in-house training which helped them to develop teaching efficiency. Basham Bloom CBSE Hyderabad Zoom meetings for teachers were oriented. Panel board members will conduct the Zoom meeting on regular basis for the teachers to enrich their subject in the classroom environment through Bloom's taxonomy. We have census-based training for all the staff. This session was organized for all the staff to make them aware of the usage of the digital screen and software provided by the school. Cambridge Publishers training for the teachers was successfully as it proved in teaching efficiency with learning well-being and to bring positivity in the classroom. Easy to ask tips and tricks to the teacher. KIPS training for computer faculty. This is a training which is given to the computer faculty. KIPS Publishers conducted sessions for the faculty to enhance their teaching skills to be placed with latest technologies. Demos for preschool teachers. Workshops were conducted regularly to demonstrate the various methods of the teachers, like various skills they used to check. Our Dean, Mrs. Archana ma'am, focuses on the importance of teaching the teachers using Bloom's taxonomy. It is applied by every teacher of our school. It is a process of remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, evaluating, creating in cognitive domains. Learning assessments and recapitulation methods are followed. Apart from all the source materials, we tailor our own methods to inspire students with real-life applications of the content being taught, showing them the right relevance of their education, helping every student to move from one level to the next level, that is from aspirants to the inspirants, in the active support and guidance of the teacher. Regularly, we analyze the result, monitor and follow up in the classrooms. Motherly care is given to the students specially trained in this school. Involvement and counseling of parents through, we have regular meetings where we conduct regularly with the parents, and we involve parents in this and we try to resolve the problem also. Come here, come here.
Excuse me, Archana ma'am. Sorry for the interruption. I and the co-principals would also like to share a few words about Basham Bloom's Manikonda with your permission.
Oh, it's my pleasure, ma'am. You can. And these are my co-principals. They'll introduce themselves over here.
Good evening, audience. I am Harsha Solanki, principal of Nagaul branch.
Good evening, audience. I am Salome, principal of Pirzadiguda. Good evening, audience. I am Ashwini Reddy, the principal of Hayatnagar branch.
Good evening, audience. I am Sirisha, principal of Samanagar.
Do you know Basham Bloom's Manikonda has created a platform to develop academic skills? And we are proud to know and we are happy to note that students came up with various skills through subject enrichment activities. For example, one-act play, role play, drama, speeches, debates, etc. And co-curricular activities include meditation, cultural events, yoga, karate, dance, skating, and what not. Student enrichment programs are held to provide additional opportunities to students to grow beyond the standard curriculum. They help students to express their ideas, focused on strong communication skills. As a part of it, show and tell, just a minute, picture talk, photography review are conducted.
Basham Bloom's Manikonda conducted this theatre thematic EduFest event that combines both education and entertainment, which includes a puppet show, digital media, food courts, and showcase student talent to enrich the 21st century skills, communication, creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration, where parents were invited to understand the ability of the students in various skills. We appreciate those parents whose involvement has made it successful.
Government of Telangana have conducted under 18 mock assembly under supervision of our beloved Chief Minister Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu at the State Council of Educational Research Center to create readiness for a greater political responsibility where many schools have participated. Our students Ms. Yona Vaishnavi, Ms. Shrestha Naidu and Master Likith Manog, led by teachers Mrs. Geeta Lakshmi and Mrs. Gayatri Devi.
Our outgoing grade 10 students were given a chance to get motivated by our esteemed chairman, Mr. Bhashyam Ramakrishna Garu.
Grade 9 and 10 students had an orientation regarding examination process to keep them acquainted with the examinations and parents to understand the exam process.
To inculcate various skills, we have conducted guest lectures by our panels and outsiders for many subject-oriented for students across the grades. This motivates them to capture detailed information of the subject. Additional personal focus is provided to the students' development through concept time.
Manikonda has celebrated Father's Day, Yoga Day, Freshers Day, Investiture Ceremony and also celebrated festivals like Rakhi, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, making of idols and distribution of parents to make children under our traditions. National days like Independence Day and Teachers' Day were also celebrated to display patriotism and respect towards teachers.
Preschool 100-day celebration was celebrated for Preschool 100-day celebration was celebrated for preschool students. Grandparents of little toddlers were invited. Thank you for your presence.
Bhashyam Manikonda conducted CBSE activities like National Education Day, Constitution Day, Save Girl Child, etc. Bhashyam also launched three club activities like Literary Club, Eco Club and Integrity Club. These club activities help the students to get through the topics like zero waste, playgrounds and school area, say no to plastic, etc.
Field trips to Golconda, Sudhakar Museum, Lok Mantanet Shilparamam. Students learn our culture and heritage. Picnics to Wonderla for grade 3 to 10 students, zoo for grade 1 and 2. It's a fun and relaxing for students to build their childhood memories and enjoy the fun-filled activities with their friends.
We encourage students to participate in indoor and outdoor activities, reading, drawing, writing, essay writing, chart making, portfolio preparations, and what not. Competitions are conducted on debate, elocution, and essay writing. Students participated in many competitive exams. For example, Science Olympiad Foundation or the SOF exam, where many Manikonda students participated and achieved gold medals, which makes the parents excessively happy. Aryabhatta Challenge exam by CBSE, NAS exam by State Board, and SAFL exam by CBSE.
Intra-branch competitions emphasize more on intra-competitions to help students understand the competition prevalent outside the school, which in turn nourishes their talents from within. Grade 7 and 8 students reached finals of Ignite Cricket Tournament, also participated in Kho-Kho game. Howard Public Balotsav School Dance Competition winners. Our school secured 2 prizes, one for drawing and another for dance.
Manikonda students participated in SAF competition for under 11 years Katha event. Anvika Jali of grade 1 got gold medal in Katha and silver in Kumite. Ashrita got gold medal in Katha, silver medal in Kumite. Daksh got gold in Kumite, bronze in Katha. Suryavardhan, Trayambak, Tanush got silver medal in Katha. Ashwath got bronze in Katha. Students participated in 8th JKN SKI Telangana Karate Championship. Congratulations.
Students participated in the National Pro Yoga League Championship 2024, where Manikonda achieved 3 gold medals, 1 silver medal and 1 bronze medal. Abhigna Cherupalli of grade 3 will be participating in the International Pro Yoga League Championship in Bali, Indonesia in March 2025.
The non-teaching staff of Manikonda are the unsung heroes of the institution behind the smooth functioning of the institution. We are aware of parents who entrusted their wards to us, and it is our responsibility to ensure the safety of your child. And we have conducted training sessions for drivers to educate them in this regard. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, my co-principals, for this wonderful, info regarding Manikonda. Behind every young child who believes in themselves is a parent who believes first. We thank every parent who are continuously supporting us. At the end of the day, the most challenging key to a child's success is the positive involvement of parents. We thank all the parents from the bottom of our heart. Thank you very much, parents. I have come to an end of annual report 24-25, and thank you for your patient hearing. Thanks a lot. Clap for yourself, parents. No, I appreciated you actually.
Of Telangana, Dr. Chaitanya Jonnala Garu, a dynamic personality amidst us who strives. To our incredible principal, thank you for your unwavering dedication and leadership. Your commitment to our school community is truly remarkable. As we embark on our journey, we are grateful for your guiding hand. On this special day, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude to you, ma'am. Your guidance, support and genuine care have made a lasting impact on our lives. Thank you for everything. Now I would like to invite our chief guest, Dr. Ramji Pallela sir, the Chief Operating Officer of CCMB, film actor in the Telugu movie industry, to give away his valuable message. Esteemed CEO Dr. Chaitanya Jonnala the stage. Honorable Dean ma'am, Miss Archana ma'am, I would like to invite you onto the stage.